Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change screensavers on Chromecast.
Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video.
So as you can see, my screensaver just changed. Nice, right? My screensaver changed because it's a timer I've set for my screensaver to change at certain intervals. Now, to manually change it, just click on the left button. So you have left, right, up, down. Click on the left or right button. So if I click left, it goes back. If I click right, it goes forward. So that's how you change the screensaver. I'm just going to click right a couple of times. I know that the screensavers are using the internet. So if your internet connection is poor, your screensavers will show a dark screen or you would not show at all. It will just take some time to load up the screensavers. So whenever you want to use a screensaver or have that beautiful ambient look on your TV, ensure you have very good internet connection. If your internet connection is good, then you have very good screensavers. So I'm going to head over into quick settings or settings, and then I'll navigate down to system. I'll go to ambient mode and I'll go to settings. So you could have a slideshow of selected memories from Google Photos, Art Gallery, custom AI as well, and you could show weather, time, personal photo data. You would choose to hide this or show it, and this is what I just mentioned a couple of seconds ago. So the slideshow speed. So how often does ambient image change? You could set this to 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and even 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 30 seconds. That's going to change the ambient mode or change the screensaver in that interval. So that's it for this video. I've shown you multiple ways to change the screensaver. If that was something you were interested in, if it was something you found useful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll show you more content like this in the next video.